today while they are celebrating in Marseille, in Barcelona. We, Burrigatos de Vilanova, are here in Cornellà together with the purple team, which we see in front of us, Castellers de Cornellà, who are now building a 3x7 on 3x7. And the third team, which we see here, are in fact guests who have arrived from relatively far away. They are the Castellers de Mallorca. In Mallorca, as far as I know, there are two Castellers teams, Castellers de Mallorca and Castellers del Llevant. If I'm not mistaken, I maybe should add. Here we have the Castellers de Cornellà crowning their construction. It's carrying up. These were the Castellers de Cornellà performing in Plaça del Crinquis in Cornellà, Catalonia, 2011.